What's up everyone, how's it going? Back again today with another update video on a project that we covered before. This one's called SafuTitano. Now we did a video a few days ago on this one before the pre-sale. So these guys ended up launching today, a few hours ago, at 7 PM. Well, it's a bit early actually, about 6:30. So just thought I'd do a little update video to say, how the launch went, like pre-launch, like during the launch, after the launch. As you can see, there's some big buys coming in right now. They're going up into an all-time high. Wow, some guy just pouring in the beans there. Just at 20, 30, 40, 50 BNB in one go. Wow. Anyway, so these guys ended up doing a pre-sale on Pink Sale, and like obviously with how hyped the project was, it ended up insta-filling like straight away in 1 second. The only way you could have got in was sending your BNBs straight to the pre-sale address, or if you're using a bot or something like that. That would have been pretty much the only way you could have got in this one. Even myself, I didn't manage to get in. I used 400 Gwei and it still wasn't enough. So you could see there was some pipe, and you could see why there was some buy pressure at launch there. So yeah, it launched at roughly maybe $0.25, and as you can see, it went up not quite a 10x. 10x would be like here, right? So it was nice. It was maybe about 7x, something like that. But if you think pre-sale, the maximum contribution was 3 BNB, that means that pre-sale addresses like right now are sitting at over 21 BNB, because obviously you've got the rebases happening every 15 minutes here. So yeah, if the pre-sale wallets are now sitting at over 20 BNB, maybe like 22 BNB, something like that. Private sales even more, because I'm sure they got about 10% extra tokens. And yeah, it's just another example of how successful these projects are in a minute. Even how poorly the market might be performing, all the fear and uncertainty of what's happening. These type of projects at the moment in DeFi can still earn you a lot of money. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. They've got the dashboard up and working now, which is nice as well. Nice looking dashboard. And one thing I would say was these guys did have a little bit of difficulty on launch, because they've predominantly been using Telegram for communication, and they was having a big problem with bots at the start. So when it came time for the pre-sale or the launch, they was getting really bad bot attacks, and the guys obviously maybe they weren't quite so experienced in kind of how to deal with that, like which bots to use to counteract the bots that are joining in, the scammers. They had huge problems for a while. Like the Telegram was a mess, but even despite all that, you see it's been a very successful launch. It's held very well, and now they're pushing up into new all-time highs with this dude who keeps throwing all these 10 BNB buys in. But yeah, so just another example of how strong these protocols are at the moment, and I'm going to try and keep bringing them to you as much as possible. And so yeah, that's it for